Now I'm going to start packing the bag. Okay, now this stage is no problem. Whatever you put your hand, because upper ceiling bar and lower ceiling bar is now open, because now you need to make some preparation. Okay, so now stepping down the push switch and get some preparation. Your contents is inside the bag, and then whatever you put your hands near the light curtain, and then whatever you're attempting to stepping down the push switch cannot work. It cannot move on next process. Okay, and then as long as you put your hands off your light curtain, the process will keep going. Okay. Thank you.